All right, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be specifically guided to that car guy, right? Car guy, detailer, all that kind of stuff. This thing is going to apply to everyone, but this is the Icon brand from Harbor Freight, their UnderHood light system. This thing is amazing, and I use this for detailing as well, so stay tuned. We're going to talk about that and show you guys exactly how I use this for my detailing. Now this light fixture comes with one light. It's rated at 2100 lumens. It retails for 90 bucks, $89.99. Now they do have some less expensive options from their other brand, Braun. And I have one of them that has magnetic mounts, and it does a good job. It's considerably cheaper. It's like 35 bucks or something. Magnetic mounts. The problem is it works great for when you're doing under the hood stuff, but anything else, you do the magnetic mounts and then it kind of just rotates and it's hard to pinpoint where the light is going. Now they do have another option that's a light bar that looks better, but it's closer to the price of this and within a $20 difference. And in my opinion, go with this one because you can really pinpoint the light on where you need it most. And as always guys, if you like these types of videos, anything related to car detailing, tips, tricks, how-tos, and product reviews, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. And I also put together a small PDF, free PDF download for you guys, just on my basics of detailing to simplify your detailing process. So if you're interested in that, it's linked down in the description. Now let's get back to the video. So I will say, when I first came across this thing, I was just at my local Harbor Freight store. It was sitting there and I was like, oh man, this thing looks incredible. The display picture on the unit shows that it has two lights on it. And when I opened it up, I was a little bit disappointed because it only comes with one. It does have another magnetic mounting plate that you can use for another light, but it only comes with one, and it does say it on the box. It's just, I wasn't paying attention. It just, I was just looking at what it was. So the benefit behind that though is the one light is the 2100 lumen rated fixture. So with that said, if you do get a secondary light, which they do sell this separately for about 50 bucks, you can double your output to 4200 lumens. Now, as a side note, I was actually at Harbor Freight again yesterday. I've had this light bar for quite some time now, and I wanted to go get a secondary light. So it showed in stock. I went to my local store. It wasn't in stock, but they did have these. And right off the bat, guys, I was like, that's the exact same thing. It's just from the Braun brand. This one's only rated at 750 lumens. So I was like, how is this any different? They look exactly the same, construction and everything else. Until I got back to my shop, I looked at them closely, and yes, construction and everything is the same, but they are considerably different size. And I will say, guys, just holding these up and turning them on, this one gets great light, but this one gets considerably more, like super, super bright. So if I had known the difference, I'm glad that I got this so I can show you guys the difference between these two. If I had known that this is considerably bigger, I probably would have waited and just spent the extra 20 bucks to get another one of these. But in my opinion, it is nice to be able to have both because, again, they mount onto these magnetic points, and then you can turn them on the base. It has a nice little turning, like it's not just sliding, but the base actually turns. And then you can turn this, and you can really pinpoint into where you need to see. So for me, because I film a lot of videos too with interiors, I wanted to have, this works for me because maybe this output will be too much. So it's nice to have another option. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and touch on exactly what this thing does. It has nice little mounting plates here. So this will hook onto the hood of your car or the inside of your car. If you want to reach it over to the roof or just on the door handles, you can link it there. But it is nice and coated, so it's not going to damage paint. I wouldn't go crazy with it. Obviously, if you get aggressive, it'll probably leave a mark, but it is a nice soft coated rubber. So that's all nice. Right here is a little switch. You can see here, just undo that little lever and it extends out all the way. So it's gonna fit. I can't imagine it not fitting a car unless it's something crazy, but it says that it has 77 inches of reach, so you're good to go. Now with this, it is extended all the way out, and then this final piece actually pulls out even more. So now we're talking, I mean, there you go. I'm 6'2". This is probably 6'6", something like that. So with that full extension, that's where we'd be at that 77 inches. So 6 feet is 72 inches and then another 4 inches. So 6'6". So that would be perfect. So really, really, really cool tool. Fantastic to have, especially working on your car. Be able to get all that light that you need underneath the hood. Now the really cool part also, guys, is like I said, this thing is fully adjustable. So these are the two magnetic mounting plates, right? So I'm just gonna take the Icon light, stick it on there, and again, you can adjust it however you want. But then there's also a little little press button deal here. You can press it and slide it up and down the shaft. So you can really, like, I mean, if you need all of your light on the inside, you can take that one, move it all the way in, take the other one, move that one all the way in. Now you've got two lights pinpointed right into one direction. Or like for me, if I'm just trying to fill the light of an interior of a car, I like to spread them out like that. And then it gives me all the visibility that I need. So guys, this setup runs, like I said, 90 bucks for the initial setup for the bar attachment and then one light. And if you wanted to get a secondary light exactly like the one that it comes with, the Icon one, it's another 50 bucks. You're at 140 bucks for this insane underhood light. If you want to go a little bit cheaper, you can go with just this secondary light. The Braun one, this one retails for 30 bucks, so you're in it for 120 instead. But honestly, my recommendation, just go with the two Icons. It's gonna bug me that these are a different size, so I'll probably end up still buying another one of these and just keeping this around because these are fantastic. Because they are a magnetic mount, I mean, I can stick them wherever I need to, and then you can still, you know, just slide it around on the magnetic base, pinpoint however you need. So this thing definitely won't go to waste, and at 750 lumens, it's a fantastic little light. So I love this thing too. Okay, so now let's go ahead and talk about detailing. A lot of times when you're out working on a customer's vehicle or your own vehicle and you're working on the interior, I did a video recently on this headlamp, and this thing is fantastic. So you can turn it on, it has the nice wide bar, and then you can also do a pinpointed kind of spotlight. And this thing's fantastic, but sometimes you need just that full, just complete visibility, like you're out in the complete daytime, and it's convertible. Like you just want all that sunlight going in there. And this thing is the way to do it, because you can absolutely just mount this and get the light to fill in all those areas so you don't miss anything while you're working on the interior of your vehicle. So that's it, guys. Again, I wanted to cover this thing because I think it's an absolutely fantastic, completely useful tool. I've seen other underhood lights, just the ones you can kind of hook on, but this one, like I said, you can really pinpoint where you want the light to be, or if you have both lights on there, it's just gonna fill up the whole area and you're gonna get complete brightness out of it. So, and then again, for the interiors, it's unreal. Really beneficial to have so you can do the best job that you can on the interior of your car. So that's it, guys. I hope that video helps you. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.